Good evening and welcome, viewers. Really sorry to be so late, much beyond 9 o'clock in lining up. We were having some technical trouble, but it's good to see you again. Now, yesterday, Mamata Banerjee announced that the slogan of her party for this super exciting Bengal election is Bangla Nijer Meke Chai. In other words, Bengal wants its own daughter. Obviously, the full extension of the statement would be Bengal wants its own daughter in power in Bengal. Now, in his rally in Bengal today, the Prime Minister directly countered that by asking why the daughters of Bengal, the real daughters of Bengal, don't even have access in Bengal to basic drinking water. Now, what was he doing there? He was pitting himself and his argument directly opposite that to Mamata Banerjee. And by countering Mamata Banerjee so directly, the Prime Minister is making it clear that he will lead the Bengal charge. The Prime Minister's decision to lead the Bengal charge, along with the BJP's decision to conduct 1,500 rallies, leaves in my mind no doubt that the BJP has also decided to put everything into this battle. Their resources, their entire political strategy, but most importantly, viewers, their prestige. Their prestige. There is no doubt that Narendra Modi is tremendously popular in Bengal. But there is also no doubt that Mamata Banerjee is putting up the fight of her life. And there is just one thing I'd like to say. Neither side can afford to lose this election. And I know neither the BJP nor the Trinamool will like me saying this, but the consequences of a loss for both the BJP and the Trinamool are going to be devastating. Victory is one thing, but the consequences of a loss will be devastating for both. Ladies and gentlemen, I come to you with three debates today. First of all, as you may have guessed, the Bengal debate. We'll talk about the issues. We'll talk about the Poriborton message. We'll talk about what the Prime Minister said in Hooghly. Debate number 2 tonight. We've seen a very brutal lathi charge on ABVP activists today in Kerala. Is that sign of things to come? Just look at these pictures. And debate number 3 tonight, viewers. 2 days after Pakistan backed the terror attack in Srinagar, the Gupkar gang wants talks with Imran. That's debate number 3 at